How to adjust Windows power settings to reduce fan noise. In Windows, select Start, type Control Panel, and then select it from the results. In the Control Panel search, type Power Options, and then select it from the list. For the current selected plan, select Change Plan Settings, and then Change Advanced Power Settings. Select the drop-down menu, and then select Power Saver if available. Expand Sleep, and then expand Sleep After and Hibernate After to open the settings. Decrease the amount of time for each setting to reduce unnecessary strain on the fans. If your fan is making excessive noise while using the battery for power, your computer might be using an active cooling policy for the processor. Expand Processor Power Management and then System Cooling Policy. If the setting while on battery is active, change it to passive. Select OK. Restart the computer to use the new power settings.